It's morning. Ew. Ew. That was disgusting. Why is there so much slime around the house? Whoa. Whatever. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't see. Oh. I'm just gonna go get some pretzels. Come on. Just gonna go back to bed. Come on.